Ano yan? Do you have girlfriend? Ah, happy birthday, my love, my firstborn boy, my baby. You know that? You're my firstborn baby. You're my baby. You know that, and you're still my baby. Boy, you're so sore. Why? Why? From Footy?
Yeah, I don't
Still?
remember.
I thought you wrapped this one. We'll put the Omega one. You want me to put it? Why?
I keep on keep saying.
Happy birthday, Kuya! Zach, did you greet him?
Yep.
How are you, Holly?
Yeah, and happy birthday, Ali.
Happy birthday, yeah. Love you. For sure they're gonna sing at school.
No, I'm not on the side now.
No, they're not. Yeah,
that
they're
it's
gonna sing
that
at
it's
school.
not that.
Why not? Yes.
I don't like it.
Well. To you.
5:30, Ronnie! Ronnie! What's wrong?
Umubo si Kuya.
Yesterday was not any good.
Good afternoon. And today is September 23, birthday ni Kuya. Dito tayo sa boat ramp. Andun si Jan, andun yung boat. Meron silang inaayos dyan sa boat. And pumunta lang ako dito kasi lalagyan ng petrol or gas yung ating car bago ko sundin si Holly. Andun si Jan. Today pala hindi nag-fishing si Jan. Nung nung Friday pa ata o nung Thursday. Basta ilang araw na sila hindi nag-fishing. Hindi lang si Jan, halos lahat ng fisherman hindi nag-fishing kasi hindi nga maganda ang weather. So, depende kasi yan sa weather kung pupunta sila sa laot. Sa laot. So, habang hindi siya nag-fishing, meron siyang pinapa-fix sa kanyang boat. And tinatawagan ko si Kuya. Hindi niya sinasagot pa. Hi, Kuya! Are you in the bus now? Okay. Ayan, pagas na tayo. Okay. Nasaan na ba yun? Diba? Yeah. Okay, tapos niya na akong pagasan. Tinanong ko si Jan, ang dating raw ng bus is mga 4-5. 3:55 pa lang. Malapit lang naman ito sa bahay. Kasi ayoko nang bumalik sa bahay. Dito na lang ako magtambay. Wala pa oh. Malinis pang kalsada. Katapat lang to ng school nila dati. Tinanong ko si Jan, ang dating raw ng bus is mga 4-5. 3:55 pa lang. Malapit lang naman ito sa bahay. Kasi ayoko nang bumalik sa bahay. Dito na lang ako magtambay. Wala pa oh. Malinis pang kalsada. Katapat lang to ng school nila dati. Ayan na yung bus. Anong oras na guys? 4:23. 4:23 yung... Ayan, kalalabas. Ayan na. Tumatakbo na sila. Ang cute. Hi! Hello. Where's Kuya? Hi, birthday boy!
Birthday boy!
Hello!
Hello, mga people, mabuhay!
Huh?
From last night on this.
Yeah, from last night because it's still a lot. And then I'll make you carbonara next time. The truffle carbonara.
Hello, madam people, mabuhay!
Ay, wow! Wait ko na si Holly. Nauna lang siya saglit sa akin. Why? Wait! Tapos na yung dance lesson niya. Mag-grocery kami. Saglit. Alas 6 na.
It's cheese but in chicken fry.
Okay.
That one, no?
915. 915. Print. Okay.
We don't have Nutella too. We don't have that.
And where's the strawberry jam?
We don't have any Nutella. Nutella.
Wala sila yung numbers na balloon. Eto, kumuha ko nito yung candles na 1 and 3. You got shampoo? Very good. Okay.
I'm sure we don't just need a
Yeah, because we still have conditioner there. Okay, bayad na tayo. Okay, we're done here. Excuse me, Baba. Gabi na. Okay.
better alone.
Bayad na kami. And nakuha yung mga pinamili. And eto yung handa ni Kuya, yung leftover kahapon. That's yung cake.
I already had a little bit.
You ready? Oh. And bumili rin ako ng sayote sa Asian Store, tsaka yung Japanese nilang sweet potatoes. Okay, magputawin muna ako. Yeah, I got this for tonight. You want some? Hi, I got you bread. You want me to toast you some or just this is fresh? For spaghetti and this.
Where's the bread?
This one, this is nice. So,
Yeah, did you get anything for tomorrow?
yeah. Okay.
Baba. Do that and then you bring any milk.
Okay.
Or let's
Yeah,
do spaghetti.
yeah. Kainin ko muna sila and put away ang mga to. Alright, guys. This is yours, son, ah.
Okay.
And tapos nang kumain, ihanda na natin yung cake ni Kuya. Ayan, at saka yung candles. So, ayan na yung cake ni Kuya. Nalagay na natin siya sa kanyang trono. And, meron ako nito. Happy birthday. Ayan yan yung candle. So, ilagay natin dito. Ayan na yung birthday cake ni Kuya. O, diba? Ang ganda. Yeah, smile. Yeah. Wait, yeah, wait.
Yeah, he's good.
Smile. Nanonood sila ng ng puti, yung parang ball nila. Okay, let's sing now. Come on.
Come on.
No, you
Wait, I want to say these votes.
We're not going to get any of this.
Yeah, wait.
Stand up a little bit here because we cannot see you. No, once you... Okay.
Melbourne, Brisbane, Ellen, 1 vote. Brisbane, H. McCluggage, 2 votes. Brisbane, J. Gallagher, 3 votes. Port Adelaide.
Okay, sing.
Happy birthday to you. To Yanni. Happy birthday to Yanni. Happy birthday, dear Chona. Happy birthday to you.
Happy?
Hooray! Hooray!
Okay, blow the candle.
Wish.
Oh, gee.
You did? Okay.
What was it? What?
Yay! Alright, let's cut the cake.
Holly Ray got one right, but he couldn't. Hasn't it?
Who's?
Holly Ray.
Ah, diba?
Who's Henry?
Ay.
The bottom.
Okay, wait, Kuya. I'm just gonna remove this.
What's that?
The melted candle. Okay. Ayan na yung kay Jan. Si Kuya, mas gusto niya talaga ang cake ni Mami. Ayan. Hindi ako gumawa kasi marami pang tira. Kung wala yan, gagawa ko rin siya ng homemade. Oh, yes. Kuya's favorite. Sponge cake with peaches. Ang laki ng... Sak! How about you, Sak? Okay. Gusto niya yung mud cake ko eh. Wow, that's big, yeah? Okay. What do you think of Mommy's sponge cake, yeah? So, dyan gusto niya rin yung nabili natin. Okay. That's for today. What's wrong? What?
Hello.
Oh, let me see. Oh, yung ano to sa... Yung... yung... No, stand. Yung nilalagyan ng candle. Sorry. Nabaon pala siya. Okay, that's for today. Happy birthday, Kuya!
Happy birthday!
So, yun na guys. Kasi, ayan, ang dami ko pang gagawin. Magpuput away pa ako ng mga pinamili ko.
One thing I know for sure, what we have is something worth.
September 24, nagluluto na pala ako ng dinner. Anong oras pa lang? 11:30. Ito yung dinner namin. Kasi mamaya may dancing si Holly. So, hindi na tayo makakapagluto mamaya. So, ilalagay ko na lang dito yung pechay. Yung green beans, ang wala ako. Pero meron na itong patatas, carrots, and saba. So, pinapalambot ko lang yung ano. Malambot na, pero gusto ko mas malambot pang konti yung patatas. Then, ilalagay natin yung pechay. And, gumawa na pala ako ng intro-outro natin bago. Ayan. So, meron akong tatlong music or background. Ito yung dati. And, merong second and third. Pero, ito yung pinili namin ng mga bata. Yung dati pa din. So, yan. Nakita nyo na yan bago ko pa ito ma-upload. So, yung pechay, ayan yung pechay. So, yan na lang ilalagay ko mamaya. Parang lit ng ating casserole para dito sa puchero. Yan, nilagay ko na yung ating gulay or pechay. So, yan yung dinner mamaya. Ito. Kala ko buhok. Yung gulay pala yung green. Okay. Ang sarap nito. Kakain na ako. Kasi wala pa akong kain. Ang kinain ko palang ay walnuts. Yung palang. And eto wala. Ibibigay to kila kay Tommy. Wala na laman. Ay naku, magpapakain tayo. Luto na rin yung rice. Okay. So, ito yung rice. Ooh. Ayan. Oops, yung ating spring onion. Ayan, luto na yung ating puchero. Yung saba natin. Ayan. Oh, ang init pa. But, the chicken is so good. Tapos na pala silang kumain. Ubos.
隔壁床来了个老大爷，
So, katapos ko lang magluto and nabalot ko na sila ng aluminum foil. And last kong ginagawa is yung ating gravy para sa kanilang steak na niluto ko. And meron na sila dyan na veggies din. And si Jan, baka mag-order siya mamaya ng chips. Kasi si Kuya, gusto niya rin daw ng chips. Pero meron akong kanin na linuto. Bahala na sila kung anong gusto nilang kain. Basta meron silang ulam. Yun ang importante. 2:45 na. Ang labas ni Holly, 3:15. So, by that time na mag-walking siya kung saan ako nagpa-park, nandun na ako. Kasi, di ba, sabi ko sa inyo, 4 times a week na ako pumupunta ng town para sa dancing lesson ni Holly. And, yeah. And, nanonood pala ako ng Chinese drama. Yung title niya is Secret Love. Cutie-cutie lang yung story niya. And kung meron kayong alam na magagandang Chinese drama, comment kayo dyan sa baba para matry kong panoorin pag natapos ko ang mga ibang. Eto kasi paano na siya, hindi ko alam kung 25 episodes siya, so 11. So, kung ano mga ginagawa ko dito sa bahay, lagi lang siya naka-on. Gusto ko lang mayroong naririnig. Kahit hindi ko siya pinapad. Pero naiintindihan ko naman kasi nagtitingin-tingin naman tayo. So, yun guys, yan yung ganap ko today. And, mag-drive na ako sa mount. Dito na ako nakapark sa school ni Holly. Umuulan. Oh, sana wag siyang mabasa ng bongga. Kasi medyo malayo-layo pa yung lalakarin ni Holly. Galing dun sa loob. Kasi itong labas to guys, malapit to sa highway. Main road. So, hintayin natin. So, sana wag lumakas yung ulan. And nagdala ako ng apple salad. Kasi wala pa akong kinain. Ang dami kong niluto. Halos maghapon ako nagluluto doon. Wala pa akong kinakain aside sa aking tubig. Tubig lang yung laman ng aking tiyan. And, yeah, nagbaon ako ng apple salad. Masarap siya, guys. Habang hinihintay natin si Holly, kahapon, pumunta ako ng Asian store. Oo, kahapon, pumunta ako ng Asian store. Hindi ko alam kung nag-vlog ako doon, guys. Ang dami kong biniling, mayroon akong mga sugat na, ngayon ko na lang nararamdaman. Yung parang mga cut siya na, mga hiwa-hiwa. Ayan, ang sakit. Ayan, isa, dalawa. Mahapdi siya. Bumili ako ng crackling. Ayan, 2 bag na ganito. So, ilan to? 1. Kasi favorite to ni Sak. Si Kuya kumakain na rin nito, in fairness kay Kuya. Yung cracklings na umishi. Yung salt and vinegar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kumain ako kahapon ng isa. So, 5. And ito pa. Isa pa. Aray ito. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10 na cracklings. Tapos, bumili rin ako ng yan. Kinain ko kahapon. And si Holly, bumili siya ng gelatin. Yung jelly na malaki. Malaki kasi yung jelly dito kaysa dun sa nabibili ko sa Coles na maliliit. Yung para sa atin. Sa Asian store, meron silang parang malaki. And gustong-gusto yun ni Holly. So, kumuha siya kahapon. And, nagaraya yung hot and spicy. So, yan yung nabili ko kahapon sa Asian store. Ano ko ba? Hindi ko alam, vlog ako dun. Hindi ata. So, yan. Wala po yung ating Holly. Yan ang cute ni Holly, guys. May sinayaw siya na i-follow niyo ako sa, kung hindi niyo po ng utos. Kung hindi pa kayo naka-follow sa Facebook page ko, sa ChonaAndMyKids. Lagi ako nagpo-post ng reels ni Holly. 1 day lang, guys, etong mga ginawa niyang dance cover. Bago ko ikat yung kanyang, yung kanyang buhok. Tanggalin. So, kinat ko siya para matanggal yung braid. Kasi, di ba, extension lang naman yun. So, yung extension kinat ko para hindi ako mahirapan magtanggal ng kanyang braid. So, grabe yung sayaw niya. Ang dami niyang sinayaw. Hindi ko alam basta ang dami. So, hanggang ngayon, meron pa akong mga ina-upload. So, follow niyo ako sa, sa Facebook page ko, at saka sa Instagram, kasi doon ko pinupost. At saka sa TikTok na rin, ChonaAndMyKids. Doon ko pinupost yung kanyang mga dance cover. Ang cute niya. Yung may attitude siya. Tapos, basta iba, alam niya yung ginagawa niya. Yung expression niya, iba. Parang, alam mo yun, wala naman. Sinasabi ko lang naman sa kanya, tumingin siya sa camera. Tapos siya na ang bahala. Kasi hindi na ako marunong magsayaw, diba? So, siya ang gumagawa ng kanyang mga steps. So, ang cute. Panoorin niyo yung Texas. Ayan, magka-copyright tayo.
We have is something worth fighting for. With bad news knocking at my door, but I like it like that. We go all in and I'm falling, but I like it like that. And it's so wrong, but still so strong, but I like it like that. Now I'm catching fire, 'cause you take me higher.
Hi!
Oh, hi.
Okay. Ayan, panoorin nyo kasi ang cute ng mga dance cover ni Holly. Kaya next year, i-enroll ko to siya sa hip-hop. Kasi wala pa siyang hip-hop na class. Pero para sa akin, kasi nahin niya naman ako. Nagagalingan ako sa kanya sumayaw. Kasi hindi ako marunong sumayaw. So, yun lang. Na-share ko lang sa inyo. 380 na guys. So, hintayin na natin si Holly. Hi!
Oh, hi.
Ayan, naka-change na pala siya at naka-park na kayo dito malapit sa katapat ng Asian store. Dala ko yung aking, yun nga, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, apple.
Wait, you bring me one.
Yeah, you can share apple salad. I love the detergent. It smells so good. Ang bango ng damit ni Allendale sa detergent. Oh, may buhok ako. Try my apple salad. Apple salad. It's not the usual. Yeah, nice. Kakaiba siya guys kasi ano siya, hindi siya yung cream na pang fruit salad, hindi. Greek yogurt and mayonnaise yung nilagay ko dito.
Mayonnaise? That's what makes it sweet.
Want more?
Yeah. What's the purple?
May cranberries din siya.
Is it that?
And walnuts, celery. So mix of healthy and unhealthy kasi yung mayonnaise, di ba? Pero healthy
The
naman.
fruit is healthy, but mayonnaise is not that healthy.
It's so good. This is good for summer. Okay, kain muna kami. Dala ko rin pala yung aking inuki mushroom, guys. Ayan.
So good.
Di ba kumakain kami ng apple?
You can give
Ng apple
me that.
salad.
You can give me that for lunch.
Gusto niya to for lunch. Ito, hindi ko pa na ubos kasi sabi ko, ay, dala ko pala yung aking mushroom. Sarap nito, guys.
So good. I want this for my lunch tomorrow.
Gusto niya raw sa lunch. Para baka...
For lunch.
Very simple lang. Salt. And then yung beef. Ang lasa kasi ng mushroom na to. Alas 4 pa yung ano niya dance. 3:36 pa lang. So today's Wednesday. Contemporary yung kanyang dance.
Wait,
Monday
what
and
time's my
Wednesday.
dance?
4.
What's that? Has Zach tried this?
Yeah, Zach likes this. Especially when we do the Korean barbecue.
Make this for lunch, please, tomorrow. I really like it. Pretty nice and healthy.
For lunch?
Yeah.
I don't think so they have mushroom today, Baba. Kasi binibili ko to dito. Tingnan ko mamaya. Sarap.
I need it for my lunch tomorrow. So good.
Diba gusto ni Holly? Sarap nito, guys.
You should make this.
Ayan yung beef. Yung
Yeah, I need
maninipis.
that beef.
Yung maninipis. Okay. After nito, kainin namin ulit yung aming dessert. Oh, may upo. Yung dalang upo si ate. Jumper! You don't want it. Okay, see you. 4:43 na matatapos na yun si Holly sa kanyang dance lesson and ayun, umuulan pa rin. Good afternoon, guys. Today is September 26. We're off to Footy Club kasi ngayon yung presentation nila.
Shut that shed door.
Yeah.
Drop them in the thing, shut the shed door.
Dito na agad kami, guys, sa kung saan yung Footy Club. Maaga kami kasi para makakuha tayong table. Alam niyo naman to si John, laging maaga.
Get pole position today.
So this is where we're gonna park.
Yeah.
Ganda yung park. Wala pang tao kasi tayo halos pinakauna tsaka yung mga mag-work sa sa Footy Club. So we're just gonna stay. I'm gonna stay here in the car first.
We all are.
We are. So lahat pala kayo mag-stay ng car. Yung mga bata magkikik ng Footy. And yeah, and tomorrow is last day of school kasi school holiday na, guys. Meron akong dalang cracklings. Ayan. Pasok na kami sa sa Footy Club. 'Di ba? Kami yung pinakauna, oh. Wala pang tao. Pili na kami ng upuan kasi mamaya mapupuno to. So dito tayo. Ito yung table na napili ko para hopefully makapag-vlog ako. Nag-move tayo ng table, guys. And nagpakuha na ako ng lemon bitters. And meron sila ditong paano, guys. Ayan. Mayroon silang binibigay sa taga table na ganyan. Oh, diba? Daming sweets. Calories overload. You can get some. You can choose. Alright. Dumadami ng tao, guys. Sisakala, that's Dad's favorite one. The jelly slice. Ayun yung table ng boys. Yung mga kaibigan nila, doon sila. Diba? Sobrang puno na dito, guys. Kali. Mag-start na yung presentation. Yung iba nakatayo na kasi wala ng table.
He sit up in the timekeeper's box, no one knows he's there, but he sits up.
2K Gilmore. Well done, boys.
Wow, that's alright. Well done, Zach. Well done. We missed 4 games. Yeah.
This award's donated by Ian.
Well done, Zaki.
Sarge has had an absolutely outstanding season. He's undersized ruckman.
Practice na siya kung anong speech niya.
He has been absolutely brilliant for us. He was given the honour of being a captain of the side at the start of the year. He has certainly deserved that accolade. He certainly deserves his best and fairest, and I'd like to congratulate him.
You have to say thank you to Mom for always.
Good.
You say thank you. You say thank you.
That's what we're gonna say.
Vinny Milstead is Zach Howard with 37 points. Zach is in his first year of under 14s footy. What are you, 10? Just turned 11? Yep, just turned 11. Absolute little superstar. His attack on the footy is second to none. His skill level is brilliant. You can tell he's had a footy in his hand ever since he was able to hang on to one. Should be proud of yourself, mate. You've been fantastic. Congratulations.
Thanks for the donor and Mum and Dad for taking me, and TJ and Foxy and Willow for coaching.
Well done, Zach. You will be shit.
A little bit of practice there, Zach, so I'm sure this isn't the first or last time you're going to be up here.
Well done, Zach. Show me.
Tim Sullivan and Tyrone Howard. Full forward, Lockie Ray, Christian Howard, Hudson Gray. In the ruck, Will McDonald, Colby Munro, Zachary Howard. On the bench, Tom Sullivan.
Hear me when I say let's make a night to remember. Let's celebrate from now till forever. This time we'll make a night to remind us we only have one life, gotta live it out loud. In another time, in another place, we could be lovers that can